Oh my God! Oh my God! They put you know what, Dahan?
No, remember, stand away from. Oh, you made it!
Oh, that thing's made for doing that.
I didn't think you'd make it that speed.
Oh, I think maybe. That's the nice thing about being the driver, you got the steering wheel hard on.
Oh, he's got a passenger.
Yeah.
Where do I put my hands?
Oh, that's a whoopie. That thing is standing? Those Swamp King BF Goodrich tires? Or whatever they're called.
Are you working yourself up to it?
No, I'm not going to go down up this one.
Aw, I did it with a little Hyundai. Newer than your truck. Tell him he's scared.
I'm big, eh? Chicken shit! No, we gotta get going.
Noisy truck. Gee, sounds like you're abusing it. We're doing a V10 Dodge commercial now. Hill climbing power, right?
180,000 kilometers.
Yeah. 180,000, it's almost ready for the farm. A little bit off course. Okay, he's gonna go for the other one now.
Oh, you do straight up and down one, didn't it?
No, he won't do the straight up and down one, he'll do this one. That's not straight up and down. Oh, don't put your brakes on. You put your brakes on, your nose digs in.
That was easy.
Oh, that was easy. I've flown off the top of that and hit the tree on the other side of the pathway with a car. Watch it.
Hooks up pretty good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't get it because I didn't know what was going on. We're gonna try that hill today. Let her focus in there. So I'll put her on pause here.
I can follow him.
Made her up there pretty easy today.
Always easy.
It's always easy for a Dodge, yeah. Ford will do it better. Miles, give him the thumbs up. No problems for a Dodge.
No problems again with the Dodge. Got to get a Ford out here to show them what to do. Show them how it's really done.